Hi folks, it's Cian here from Eco Encounters. Well, I'm a huge fan of old-fashioned adventure stories, both fictional ones, famous stories like The Lost World by Arthur Conan Doyle or the novel She by H.R. Haggard. I also love old-time stories about real-life scientists and adventurers such as Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace. So, with that in mind, let's see if we can have our own adventure, finding strange and exotic places to visit by examining what's close to home with a fresh eye. In the classic stories, the adventure always begins when you leave the everyday world behind. For me, that's suburbia. The crossing of the threshold from the everyday world into the realm of adventure can be symbolic or sometimes literal. As you leave civilization behind, you begin to notice strange and exciting things. And in order to push yourself and learn new things about the world, adventurers will traditionally have to face a certain amount of danger. But the rewards are great, as you will discover new, unexplored regions. These places will teach you things about yourself. Perhaps they will bring peace or an opportunity for reflection to your life. Finding some sort of lost city is very common in classic adventure literature. It provides the explorer the opportunity to learn about the history of the area and to reconnect with the past. Very often, you will discover strange wildlife on your journey, and things will not always be what they seem. Strange, oversized plants are a common feature too. Weird, menacing greenery that seems almost to have come from another world. Finally, the explorer makes their way back to the ordinary world they came from. Hopefully, a little bit wiser about the world for having gone through such adventures. Thanks for watching this Eco Encounters video. Check out our website for lesson plans and other nature-based activities. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.